Hey cats and dogs, it's Sarah here, and today I'm going to be playing the classic Webkinz game. I found this little Webkinz Canary at a Iris festival I went to recently. I am going to go on to Webkinz as in the classic Webkinz game.
Hello there. I'm Ms. Birdie. I run the adoption center here in Kinsville. Are you looking to start a new account on Webkinz World? If
Yes.
so, let's begin. Please choose one of these free pets. If you have an adoption code, you can either skip adopting a free pet or add it after you've created your account.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to choose a free pet. Yeah, I'm definitely picking the cat since cats are my favorite.
Okay, now all we need to know before we can send this pet home with you is their name and whether they are a boy or a girl.
Yeah, I'm definitely naming this cat after a Pokemon. That will be awesome.
Now you need to create a username, password, and a greeting name for your pet to use for you. For security, please don't use your real name. You can save a picture of this page so you can remember this information later.
Yay!
Congratulations! Your adoption was a success. Now it's time to meet your new pet.
Yes, okay, meow. Okay. By the way, I'm a pro at this. Yes, of course.
I want to make sure everything is perfect.
I'm definitely going to go with a pirate
Nice
too.
choice. They're going to love it. Now, I've added some Kinz Cash to your account. You can use it to take care of your new pet. Have fun!
Okay. I will give him another snack. Yes, okay. Welcome home. A special gift has been added to your dock. Now go have fun. This is one of my favorite parts of Webkinz, by the way. Awesome. Now I really want to see his bio. My pets. I don't think... Oh, this might be his bio. Yep, that's his bio. Yeah, I'm definitely saving this. And then I'm going to dress him up again. Okay. And I'm going to register a code.
Please enter the adoption code that came with your pet.
I'm definitely going to have it a boy, and its name will be Pizziotto. Things to do, my house, and so I am going to do this with the gift. Open it. Awesome. I'm going to make him eat his sunflower soup. Next, I think he would love strawberries. Okay. Next I will play a game, by the way. Actually, next I will check my mail. Open. Yep. Bio. Oh, right. The bio is where the pet is. As in the pet, as in things to do, my pets. Here's the bio. Okay. Okay, oops. Perfect. 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 Oops. Yeah, I'm doing much better the second time. Perfect. 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 Okay. Great. Yay, I was not expecting to do that. I never seen that before, actually. Okay. Yeah, this one is much harder. I'm doing great though. Okay. This is really fun, by the way. Awesome. Play. Oh, I played this before. This is a great game. Oops. He kind of reminds me of an LPS in a way. Oops.